Hi everyone. Just wanted to come in here and remind you all to stay in the moment. And I hope that you can hear this okay. I'm at a creek. It's beautiful out here. Yeah, here you go. Hope you can see okay. But yeah, I just wanted to hop in here and whoa, look at those light codes. It's amazing. Anyway, so I hope we are all doing well, and really important in this moment to stay in your authentic self. Also allow any purging of emotional purges that needs to come out, and any emotions that need to be felt. It's important to allow and make time and trust and be open to be vulnerable around the right people. And I know it's not the easiest thing. It's always been very challenging for me, for sure. But as you rise and you raise your vibration and you do more healing, the more you may notice that whenever something great is about to come, we go through these purges, these releasing of old energies, old patterns, old behaviors. And that is very much part of the work. And know that that's normal. And that for as long as it's, continue trusting yourself and trusting the process, and know that this is part of the journey while you're here, right? And upgrade your self-care, upgrade your support, without expecting others to take care of things for you, but be open to the right support in however way it comes through. And yeah, so that's my message for today. I am definitely feeling this week and as of now a more balanced energy between the divine feminine and divine masculine energies as we progress and move forward into the new earth, into the new energies, allowing ourselves to just be and love ourselves throughout the process. And so I don't really want to shout anymore. So I'm going back into my feminine energy, my divine feminine, and I hope you can join me through I will say, natural sound healing today, right? Listen to the water. Enjoy this beautiful sun, right? And allow yourself to just be true to yourself. Alrighty. So with that, let's go ahead and sit quiet and imagine yourself here with me in this beautiful nature, surrounded by just this really nourishing, nurturing energy of the creek, of the water, of the rocks, earth. Many of us need that right now. So if you're still here, close your eyes and allow yourself to just be. Feel my energy as I'm sending that love from my heart to yours. And know that you're always supported. Take a nice deep breath in and out, release. Let the water wash away and detox your whole system. from the inside out. Breathing again. And breathe out. And at your own pace, let this water sound penetrate through your nervous system, through your emotions, and just be easy and gentle on yourself. Allow yourself to receive the support in this moment. Some light language that is coming through, as well as the mermaids. Hayanarare, hayanarare, hayanarare. Hayanarare, oloromeke, omorokeya, hayanarare, hayanarare. Okomore, orohonorea, chike cherare. Remember, you are love, you are divine, you are nature. We are all connected through our hearts. Allow yourself to tap into your heart. Gently, lovingly, kindly. Counting your blessings in each moment as you watch it grow and manifest in your life. May you have a beautiful day, beautiful weekend. And whenever you're ready, go ahead and start coming back into the now moment. And thank you so much for joining me in nature, allowing myself to share this beautiful energy, but also remembering to make the time for yourself to do so, okay? All right, I will see you next time. And if you found this helpful, I will really appreciate if you can give it a like and or subscribe or share with those that you feel like may benefit. And I definitely also am excited to offer one-on-one support if that is something that you feel aligned and resonating with. And I will see you next time. All right, bye for now.